Hi, this is my 15112 term project. It's a game called Dungeon Dash. It's basically a maze game where you don't see the entire map, you only see part of it, and you have to get from the top left corner to the right bottom corner of the maze. This is the main splash screen where you see start game and instructions. Let's go into instructions. So now it basically tells you have to solve the maze within the allotted time for each level to proceed. So you can press pause and escape to go back to the main menu. You have power-ups and a randomly moving ghost, which would take 5 seconds off the clock if he touches you. The power-ups will be scattered randomly on the floor. Disguised as stars, you could pick up possibly a boulder that would let you pass over lava if you place it, a timer that adds 20 seconds to the clock, and a light bulb that would make the screen bigger for you. I'll explain that in a moment. So let's start. You see on the top you have the power-ups on the top left, the time you have to solve this level, the level you're on, and the score. So you can use the arrow keys to move. So then let's finish this quickly. And you have level 1 completed. Your score would be however much time you have left at the end of the level multiplied by what level you just completed, and it adds on every level. So now we're on level 2. Let me show you what the superpowers are. The power-ups, for example, if I press right now, I couldn't get over there. But instead, if I place a boulder, I can walk over back and forth. Also, another bonus would be the time. So if I press T right now, I will go from 23 seconds to 43. So that's so that you can have more time to play each level. You notice if I walk over the ghost, it takes 5 seconds off every time, and that is gonna kill me. Game over. So that would tell you what level you lost on, your final score. You can press R to start again. So every level you go up, you get 15 more seconds to solve, and the maze gets 5 by 5 bigger on each side. I can show you. I entered a cheat where if you press L, you can increase the level you're on and restart. So I'll press L right now. You go to level 2. You see the time went from 35 in the first level to 50 right now to solve it. And press L again. You go to level 3. You also see that the amount of screen you see decreases since the black border is there. That would make it interesting because you have to solve it as quickly as possible, and if the borders cover too much, well, it wouldn't cover the entire screen, but it would cause you to not be able to see enough. That is what the light bulb is for. So right now, let's say you want to see more of the screen. So all you have to do is press C, and you get to see everything again. Finally, if we want to pick up, you see the star. If we pick it up, you see an extra boulder. That is random as well. Every time you use it, it takes 1 off. And you increase the level, the border increases at a quicker rate. Level 6, so it increases by 6 pixels on each side. Pick this up, walk over. So that is my game. You can pause it anytime during the game, and that would basically tell you how to use the power-ups. You press escape, you go back to the main menu. Thank you and enjoy.